Welcome to another episode, guys. Now, in the previous episodes, we've been looking at ERC20 tokens, rewards, fetching data, deploying, and all that kind of fun stuff. But now, let's say you've completed your game, or you've built a game with an economy system. You want to reward your players with NFTs, right? You want to token gate characters. Now, token gating, for those that don't know what it means, is it's pretty much just locking content behind a paywall, or I guess some sort of validation or logic. So what we do is we use the on-chain validation of the player owning a NFT to then go off-chain logic and adjust to reward them with whatever kind of in-game logic we have. Now, an example of this would be, let's say you've got a character, right, and he's got a sprint speed of 10, I suppose. If that player buys a boost in the shop, which can be minted as an NFT using your custom token, that speed could increase to 15 or 20. So you're token getting a feature or a power up that requires an in-game economy of your token or any other token, creating what we call, well, I don't want to say sustainable economy, but an economy, an on-chain economy, which is kind of cool. That's pretty cool. So in the next part of the series, we'll be delving away at ERC, well, in this case ERC 721s, because that is a much easier example than ERC 1155s. Although in gaming situations, ERC 1155s can be a better choice when it comes to achievements, characters, I suppose certain items like potions and power-ups, where 721s are much better for rarer items like characters, unique weapons, stuff that you really want to have value or hold value in your game. But yeah, so you'll see here that I've deployed a contract. It's called Strange NFT. It will be, well, Strange NFTs, sorry. It will be the example NFTs that we'll be looking at in the next part of the web series. And I've got two example NFT URIs set up already. Strange Cat, and I've got Fat Cat. These are both ERC 721 tokens, or at least they will be. And I'll explain to you guys how we can check the player wallet, see if a player owns an NFT, and if they do, we can then reward them with a second NFT. This is great for Gen 1, Gen 2 NFTs. For instance, let's say you've got your first generation of NFTs. Cool. Someone mints it within Discord or within a website or whatever. If they hold that NFT by the time you release your game, you can check for that in game and reward those people that have been loyal to the program or the project with another in-game NFT. Alright, so what we can do is, as well, in the previous episodes we covered importing contracts and ABIs into Unity. I'll put a card up there so you guys know which video to go have a look at. But you should see here that what we've done is we've already added our NFT contract, the contract address, and as per usual, the ABIs. Nothing new, nothing scary. We've been over this twice in the past, and you can see again why a contract manager is so great, because this is all the information in one place for you to reference. Alright, so along with that, before I end this video, I do want to show you guys OpenZeppelin Wizard. OpenZeppelin Wizard is amazing for just creating base contracts, especially NFTs. I find it super useful for NFTs. So ERC 1155, 721, you can set your token name. So, I don't know, dogs. Oops. There you go. There's your constructor for your token. The base URI, if you really want to set that, but you can make it mintable. You can remove only, you can remove the only owner if you want other people to be able to interact with this safe mint, otherwise only you can. You can make it burnable, pausable, enumerable. You can have it store the URI for other tokens. There's a whole bunch you can do, but I'll link this all in the description and you guys can play with it. For now though, now that we've deployed this, in the next episode we can go into Unity and we'll actually interact with the smart contract, and we'll most likely try to actually mint our first token. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.